Hi guys, happy New Year's, and this video is a recap of 2022. See how I did in 2022 and what to expect following this year, 2023. Before we start, reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Investing involves risk. Only invest what you can afford to lose and invest at your own risk. Also, the value of investments and the income derived from them can go down as well as up. Future returns are not guaranteed, and the loss of principal may occur. The information contained here is not intended to be used as a sole basis of investment decisions and is not a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Okay, let's get started with how last year went. Uh, the rate of return, my rate of return for last year was 57.77% up, and compared to the S&P 500, which was minus 18.07%. And here's a chart of that. Okay, so that's pretty good. The percentage is pretty good, but I was mostly in cash most of the year, which is a good thing considering how we went. So I was still positive for the year, but I did not make a lot, which it's okay. I mean, obviously, I wish I would have done better. I'm still beating myself up for not hedging mid-December. I mentioned the last video I wrote SPXL from 49 to 77. That's over 50% gain. And I should have hedged. If it was a bull market, it would be okay to let it run. But considering how choppy it is right now, it would have been, I should have hedged, which I did a few times before this year. So anyway, so I was for the year, I gained $4,736.65 between January 1st, 2022 and December 31st, 2022. And here is a from my account. Okay, it's not a lot, but it's better than losing money, obviously. Now, looking forward, like Warren says, it's trying to predict the market is a fool's game, and when they do it on CNBC or any other of those channels, I just laugh at them because they don't know. Everybody's expecting the first half to be bad, but when everyone is expecting the same thing, it rarely happens. So I honestly I don't really know what's going to happen. So I'm just gonna hedge. I obviously stay my long and then hedge, depending on the news. See where the CPI goes, see where the earnings go. So we will. You have to base your decisions on how well the economy does. As of right now, I have 20 shares in Tesla. I mentioned in the last video. That's a 5-year plan. I'm hoping the investment in Tesla to pay off for my car in 5 years or most of it. And this money comes from me getting rear-ended about a month and a half into having that car. So I have 20 shares or 0.67% of my portfolio in Tesla. I have 2,700 shares in SPXL. That's 45.84% of my portfolio. And I'm in cash, 53.49% of the portfolio. And here is a screenshot of that. There you go. Okay. There's a recap, on what's going on. Immediate plans. I just plan on watching the market. If it does come concerning down, I'll probably buy some more. Depending on the news, I may hedge. Originally, I was planning beginning of the year to hedge, but I'm gonna wait and see which way it's gonna break. Well, what the news is, it's gonna break either way because we're kind of been in a pattern. So anyway, that's my video, guys. And so the last year did okay. It could have been better. And I'm hoping, this year, I'm really hoping it takes off. If it does, then we should be doing really, really, really well. We're long term to be able to still be positive in a year like that, like this year. I think it's pretty good. And we'll see where this year goes. And happy investing, guys. Be safe out there, and I'll chime back on once I have something new to say. Thank you. Have a great year, guys. Happy New Year.